In this video I'm going to show you how to do the complete setup or the quick setup. In this video we are going to do the setup of HPNY 6152E all-in-one printer. We are going to do the initial setup. We will install the paper, install the ink cartridges that comes with the printer. Then we will connect it with the smartphone using the Wi-Fi setup. So let's start with the setup process. Unbox the printer and plug in the power cable. Once your printer is start, you will see the main screen. It displays language selection. Select your language, confirm, select the country of residence. It will ask you to go to the setup website. What we are going to do this setup using this screen. So first we will install the setup ink cartridges and then we will load the paper. Lift it from this section and you will see the ink chamber moving here. Take the ink cartridges out of plastic packaging. Remove all the seals and then we have to install them here. Just place it here and then push it in under this lock section and then push it in to lock it. So you will hear a lock sound. Same with the black. Place it here and lock it. Once you do that, push the door down and on the display panel it will check for the ink cartridges. Meanwhile we can load the paper. So open the paper tray, adjust its size, place the letter size or A4 size paper and then close it. Now go to your printer display panel. On the main screen it will show up the paper is successfully installed, so press OK. Ink cartridges are installed, press OK. Next is to do the alignment of the ink cartridges, so click on the alignment. We have to scan the alignment page. Open the lid and place it facing down and then click on the scan icon. Once the scanning is done, you will see the screen. It says return to setup website. On the main screen it will display return to setup website after the alignment or scanning the alignment page. Click on the question mark to setup. Then click on the exit on the HP software. Click on the skip HP software, exit. Scroll down for the updates and then click on the next. Select auto update or notify and save. Select date and time, continue, and we have successfully done the initial setup of the printer and you will see the main screen of the printer. You can start using it for copy. To do the wireless printing and scanning, we have to do the Wi-Fi setup of the printer. For that, first we have to connect the printer to the home or office Wi-Fi network. Click on the menu, go to the settings, click on the network, select Wi-Fi. If you don't have a Wi-Fi, then you can go for the Wi-Fi direct. In the Wi-Fi, click on the Wi-Fi setup start. It will give you the list of wireless networks. You just have to select your Wi-Fi and enter its Wi-Fi password. Click next and select this box. Enter the Wi-Fi password using this panel. Like this. Enter the complete password. Press OK to connect it. Submit it. OK. Printer is connected. Press OK and click on the home button. You can see the blue light is stable. That means printer is available on the Wi-Fi. Now we are going to add this printer in a smartphone for wireless printing and scanning. For that, simply go to your smartphone and open the HP Smart app. You can download it from the App Store. Click on the plus button or setup or add printer. Select the second option, already connected to network. It will display HP NY6100E series. Select it. It may take you to the setup to finish the setup or register your product online. If not, then you have to do it through the app. Click on the finish setup if you see it here. So there are few steps here. Select accept all printing services. It will ask you to click on the allow. So press allow on the printer display panel. On the next screen, if you want, you can activate the HP Plus, or you can skip this offer. Do not activate. Decline HP Plus. Continue. So there are few things. If you join the HP Plus, you can do the remote printing and other things. There are many options in that. So whenever you want, you can just join it by going online. If you have a HP account, you can just sign in and it will ask you to enable the ink delivery. So right now we don't want ink delivery. Do not enable. Skip offer. If you want, you can just join that offer. Continue setup. Select notify, or you can select auto updates for your printer and click on the save. We can print the welcome page or we can skip it. You can also send a link to other devices. We can skip that as well. If you send the link to other devices, that will help you to use HP Smart app there and your printer will be added. On the main screen, we can see our printer with the estimated level of ink. That's the complete setup of the printer and we can start using it for printing and scanning. For example, to print, you can select a print document and we can just give a print command. And if you want to print any other kind of document, you can print that. So let's print this page. Now this printer can print two-sided printing. If you want to do that, you can just scroll up, select two-sided long edge and then click on the print. You can see it can do the two-sided printing. So this way we can do the complete setup of the printer and then we can start using it. Thanks for watching.